Hello everybody, how are you? I'm excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Here we go. Open your book to page 19, Phonology Lesson 3. Writing our words. Okay, step number 1. Listen and pronounce. Listen and write. Okay, and step number 2. Okay, listen and pronounce, listen and write, turn the book upside down. Okay, here we go. Listen to the words.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Bear, bear. Paw, paw. Winter, winter. Rain, rain. Wet, wet. Race, race. Windy, windy. Window, window. Rainy, rainy.
Okay, I wish you the best. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.